Hi everyone, I'm James Car Hagunya from SM1282. What is chair dance? Chair dance rooted from cheerleading performance of a routine usually dominated by gymnastic skills such as jumps, tumblings, skills, leap, and tosses, combined with shouting of cheers and yells to lead the crowd to cheer for a certain team during a game or a sport. High V. Extend your arms upward and at 45-degree angle from your head with your hand in fist. Low V. Extend your arms downwards and at a 45 degrees angle from your body with your head and feet. Touchdown. Extend both arms straight up and bring them in line with your body so that your arms touch your ears. T position. Arms are straight out to the sides at shoulder height and hands should be turned so that the thumbs face forward and the pinky fingers face to the back. Broken T. Raise both arms so that your face rests on your chest at shoulder height.